In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A57 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, you need to launch an app you wanna use in this view and access it in the background. Then, click on this icon of an app at the top and hit open in pop-up view. Now enjoy using your app in this window. To move your window around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. You can even reshape it. If you want to minimize your window, tap on the home button and then operate this bubble. Tap on it to go back to the window, or to close your window completely, drag it to close section at the bottom. You can also click on the same line and check out all of those options. X if you want to close your window, this line if you want to change it into a bubble, this one here, which will allow you to switch from pop-up to split. Just tap on the second app you wanna use. And to go back to pop-up, use the same line and tap on pop-up window shortcut. And last but not least, those two arrows that will allow you to use chosen app in full screen view. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!